Good morning. Hope everybody's doing fine and well during this whole quarantine deal. As you can see, I'm at my job. If you ain't never noticed some of my past videos I have on Amtrak uniform, that's what I do on my day-to-day. Yeah, of course, always represent my brand. But today, see, we got the truck and the trailer at work. Yeah, so you know what that means. Gotta mean something good. Oh yeah, little snacks. So, since we got a truck and a trailer at my job, no, I ain't just towing this around for no reason. Oh yeah, that's right. We're gonna do a little testing today. So I'm gonna go ahead. I just want to make sure everything was all right in here. So we're gonna go ahead now, hop on the road, and I will see you. Yep. Gotta get this. Yeah, a good monster. Gotta have that for the ride to the track. See y'all there. Well, we made it. A couple other people here. Norris right there. You know, fast guy over there. Not fast guy, Cedric, but fast sport front wheel drive. You'll see him later. Well, we out here doing some testing. Got a couple hits so far. Still can't get a car to leave that great, but it's got some mile an hour on 186. So if I can get the short track down, get it to leave, maybe 140, some 60 foot, it'd be in the numbers. Really ain't been able to film because I'm here by myself, just me and my tuner, so can't really record everything and do everything I need to do all at the same time. So I'll just fill y'all in where I can, and this video will probably be really short, but it is what it is. Get it, Dre.
815 at 188. Am I seeing that right? 815 at 188 for Dre. Nice.